Hey guys, we're back with Havoc. So today we have a box. We're going to be opening it. It's from my sponsor, Flow Vision. So yeah. I got the skill. Ow.
What's it say?
There's a paper.
Yep, show it to the camera. The handwritten note. You rule Joshua. That's me, apparently. 'Cause that's who paid for it. Uh-oh.
What?
No, that's fine. Yep, go.
Okay. So we have tear off.
Let's see them. Hold them up to the camera.
Tear offs.
Okay.
More tear offs. More tear offs.
What?
More tear offs. More tear offs.
Wow, how many tear-offs?
And then so lenses. Oh, these are pretty thick
A
lenses.
dual lens. Let's see the other lens.
There's those.
Oh yeah, these guys are. So they say that their lenses are 3 times as thick as
Yeah.
regular lenses, and that definitely is true.
No, these ones.
Okay, another dual pane lens. The dual pane lens help with the fog,
Yeah,
help fogging up.
that's good. I always follow one,
Yep.
especially coming up with doing too. And then there's these
Open it
purple
up.
ones.
Let's see them.
These are so cool.
Cool.
Inside of them, oh, there's just
Oh, nice. A goggle
case.
bag.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah,
You gotta put them around your neck, like after the race. Yeah, there you go.
here we go. There's a bunch of stickers. Huh?
That's cool.
Okay.
Yep. You gotta put these on the helmets,
Oh, I like these ones a lot.
trailers.
Look at these.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I should wear these. They kind of go well with the goggle case. These ones go well with the Phoenix handlebars
Yeah, those are cool.
because they're the American
Red, white, and
flag,
blue?
red,
Let's see these.
red, white, and blue.
Go.
And then we have these ones. They're orange, that color.
Cool. Take them out. Let's see them. Oh, fancy.
Oh yeah, look at those.
Fancy.
And then we have one last pair. These. Oh, they're like a teal color with a black lens case. Oh yeah, these ones.
Oh, jeez. These are super awesome.
Yeah, feel the pad.
Yeah. The foam, what's neat about this is they color code the foam, the first layer of foam with the color of the goggles.
Oh yeah.
So some of them are just red. What's this one? Is this one purple?
Yeah,
That's
that
black.
one's purple.
It's black, which matches.
Yeah, black.
Yeah, it's black.
So
And then, oh, that's black too.
yeah.
That's really slick though. Okay.
Thanks for Flow Vision for sponsoring me. I hope I can make you proud.